pagpasok sa elevator, ito agad, pagpasok mo ng pinto, the entrance. Let's go. So, this is the venue. Ayan, may pa-juice sila. O, diba? Teka, nagtago si sir. Ayun, o, diba? Don't worry, I'll get later, sir. O, diba? Dapat pino kami ngayon. Bawal magulo. So, ito, may balcony outside. Ayun ang dati naming office. Actually, office pa rin pala nung main building.
PFC ba yan?
Oo. Mainit dito, Daddy. Ang init. Pasok na tayo uli sa loob. O, the Daddy and the Mommy. O, mag-picture na kayo dun. Sige. Hindi ito picture. Kasama kayo, first family. Uy, first family. O, diba? Ang ganda ng venue. Daddy, mukhang ang gwapo mo. O, maganda pala pag madilim.
For this event, can you please clap your hands for me, guys? Come on. That's right. Now, since my name starts with the letter G, I have 3 G promises for each and every one. And the first G is good time. I'll make sure that each and every one will have a good time tonight. Do you guys agree? Ay, parang hindi. Let me change the question. Are you guys hungry?
Yes!
Now, speaking of hungry, the next G is good food. Of course, our debutant Isabel, together with her family, make sure that you guys will eat not only delicious food, but of course, healthy. For Audrey! Once again, a resounding round of applause for Audrey.
Coming from the other side of Manila. Thank you very much. So, special shout out to Abby's friends. Thank you for being with Abby all the time that she's not with us. So we're hoping that you're taking care of her while she's with you, in the same way that we take care of her in our family. So thank you very much. And to all of you, to our families here, our friends, maraming salamat for coming. And for those who are asking for the Bluebills envelope, may envelope kami dito. Pero kahit walang envelope, tinatanggap din po namin. Thank you for coming. Thank you. And let's all have a good evening.
Ikaw din, sasalaman ka na. So sit down dinner. Yes. O, diba? Binidyo ko pa yung paglalagay ni ate. Imbis na ilagay ko. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Gulat ka? Ayan, pumpkin soup. Diba?
Line up here on the right side of the stage. Once again, lahat po ng blooms, brother.
Thank you.
Our dancers, please. is in front. All right. Again.
Okay, so first meal of the day is the soup. First meal. First, ano ba to? First course of the meal. You like your soup?
18 blooms or 18 chances.
It's hot. The pumpkin, no, it's yummy. Kuya would have liked that.
We have JD Castaneda.
Kinulang sa asin. Ano naman totoong pumpkin? May pumpkin seeds siya.
Ano yung tinanggalan ng balat?
Nagatin mo natin. Balat ng pumpkin seeds. Kinagat mo na ito sa gawin.
Please have your photo taken. There we go. Next on my list is Mr. Tristan Lopez. Please have your photo taken. Next, we have Ferdy. Please have your photo taken. This is for the father and daughter dance.
So ayan, nag-aalok sila ng red or white wine. Sila naka-wine. Kami mas gustong soft drinks. So for dinner, parang carbonara with salmon roe, roasted chicken, fish and chips. Hindi ako kumuha ng salad. Ano to? Basta beef at saka lechon. For dessert, calamansi tart and mango eme. Ancient outfit. Second look. In fairness kay ate, sobrang intimate ng party. Parang one-on-one lang yung message niya. Hindi namin marinig. Ang soft-spoken nila.
Dubai. And I wish you the best of luck in your university life. I can't wait to see you again. And I hope you meet amazing people. Remember to stay calm, stay confident, and always be yourself.
Joy and full of opportunities. Always believe in yourself and follow your heart. Know that I will always be here cheering you on every step of the way. Happy 18th, and may this be just the beginning of your most beautiful journey. Happy birthday, Abby!
Wow, prepared si Kuya. May speech din.
Happy birthday, Abby. So, parang naisahan mo ako dahil pinili ni Andrew, Tito Lambert, naka-separate ang listing mo. So dapat separate din yung envelope ko. So yun ang kabilin-bilin ni Andrew. Separate dapat.